Hello everyone. Today we are back at our series of Nifty 50 share analysis. So far we have seen multiple shares from Reliance to TCS to SDFC banks and ICICI Bank and all. And last time we have seen HCL Technology. And today's market was quite good. Everything was up, obviously, from Nifty 50 to Bank Nifty and all. And let's back to our share analysis. And today we are going to look at Maruti Suzuki. Okay. Right now the price of Maruti Suzuki India is 12,663.70, which is 154.5 up than the yesterday, and it is 1.24% up. And if we come down here, we will see today's low and high, and the 52 weeks high is 13,300, which is quite close to today's high. And it is showing that there was 70% buying here. That the traders are most predominantly is shifted toward the buying here. And this is a little bit of fundamental and financial profile of this share. From revenue to profit and net worth, everything seems stable and moving up. Okay, and with this we will going to move to our analysis, which we always do by the chart. We are going to turn it into sideways, and the first we are going to turn the chart into month, as well as it converted into line. We usually turn the chart into months so that the all the noise which we have in the chart will be diminished. Okay, as you can see, the highest part here is this one, and we have already know what is the maximum the share has gone up to 2,300 almost here. We're going to convert it into a blue line. Blue line we usually use for month and week. Okay, a little bit of expansion. Yes, and then we're going to move it a little bit up to exactly so it exactly touches it. Now we are going to convert that into week. Okay, in week point of view, the point what we first saw see is this one. Okay, and here it could be a good point of entry here, but let's convert it into candle. Now I'll not consider that a point of entry there. Now we're going to be in days, and here it is. Okay, in days the share seems sorry for this. Okay, in days you can see the share is here, which is close to many things like the two lines you see in the May. It is touching their high points and the low point, and could be we can make it a point, but we have to convert that into what? We have to convert that into candle to have a much more expand view. Okay, let's see here. Okay, 23rd, 26. Sorry for this one. Oh. If you look at closely and up to this point, or maybe up to this point, you can see the share is moving at approximately in a same zone, right? And we can say the same for here as well. Right now share is moving at this zone. Oh, so now consider the I will not the share is moving in this zone, and if I have to consider, I am not going to consider the white line here because it is quite close to the price right now. So I'm going to shift this into the blue line only, which is months and week. So as you can see in the lines graph, the share is almost moving in the this between this pattern. Okay, so what we can say, there is a possibility that if share will cross this line and stay above the line at the end of the day, then there is a possibility the share will move ahead. Or if it touches the line and fall back, then there is a possibility of share will move fall back. And same goes for this. And one more thing, the thing which is more supporting it is the blue line, the 1200 almost 1300 line is also supporting our this green line, as you can expect it. So it could work as a potential entry point. Now we are going to convert it into candle. So as you can see here, this red line which went down, but it didn't stay down. It on the same day it went up. At the same, you can see here there was a gap up opening there. It went up, but at the same time it fell back as well. And if you see, I think this is the one which made the highest point. Highest point means this is the one which made the 52-week high. Okay, so far no line is staying above or below this line and that line. So if you can say this 1200 line and 1300 line. So if the candle goes above the 1300 line and stay above that, then there is a possibility that the share might hit go above this and even touches the 52-week highs. Okay, there is a certain possibility. So if I have to put my alert on this, I'm going to put it is 13,000, because that could be a really good entry point in my opinion. And if you have any problem with that, you can write it in the comment. And thanks for watching the video.